In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix a problem that your Wi-Fi automatically disconnects, and also for PC and laptop. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar. In the search bar, we look for the control panel. Click on the control panel, click on view by category, then click on network and internet, here on network and sharing center, and then on change adapter settings. So, and when we are here, we see our connection. So our Wi-Fi connection, right click on your Wi-Fi and then click on properties. So, and when we are here, we can click on configure. So click on this, and now we have the power management. So this is really important, and here make sure to untick allow the computer to turn off this device to power save. So copy this setting and then click on OK. So what we also can do here is right click on it, properties, and then we have like our client or something else, and here is our network adapter. And what we also can do here is click on configure again, and then we have like the driver for our network adapter, and here we can update the driver, which is really important. So click on this, then search automatically for drivers, and here we have already installed the best driver. But we can also search in for updated drivers on Windows Update. This is also what we can do. And after that, your internet problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we will definitely find a solution. And then see you next time.